stands, the cameras flash, but he looks at you, not just past. No empty words, no empty smile, just presence real and unrehearsed style. He takes a moment in a world that runs, where no one listens and nothing's done, but he stops, connects, looks you in the eye, and shows us all how to rise high. Be like Tom, be here, be true.